My name is Paresh Maniyar. I am Deputy General Manager, Admission, and looking after the various kind of admission for all the courses. Indus University is more than 13 years, and since 13 years or since 2008, I have been looking after the admission and counseling of the students for the various programs and various courses along with my team. There are various kinds of admissions like management quota, state quota, NRI quota, Gulf quota, as well as international admissions. So I handle all kind of admissions, and I visited the countries like Dubai and Kuwait for the same purpose. Indus Institute of Management Study is another important institute of the Indus University, which is offering many management programs for the development of the students in the business management. It offers a dual degree BBA plus MBA program, integrated MBA, that is 4-year integrated MBA program, BCom honors as well as MBA. And also in MBA and BBA it offers lot many other electives or the specialization like marketing, HR, finance, operation management, healthcare management and information technology. Beside this, they offer very 3 niche program under the IIMS, that is Indus Institute of Management Studies, that is BBA in Aviation Management, BBA in Mass Communication and Journalism, and BBA in Design Management. Another institute of Indus University, that is the Indus Institute of Communication Technology, offers the various courses for the technological interest of the students, and they are dual degree MSc, that is BSc plus MSc in information technology, then dual degree MCA, that is BCA plus MCA. Also only MCA is also available, and recently they have introduced 2 new programs which are very much skillful program for the students for making their career in technology side, and that is BSc in data science as well as BSc in computer science with a specialization of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Apart from this, there are very special programs also offered by the Indus University in the clinical research department, that is BSc in clinical research as well as MSc in clinical research. BSc in clinical research, MSc in clinical research, a very specialized program available in Gujarat only with the Indus University. And one more program that is available with the Indus University, which very rarely anybody offers, that is BSc in aircraft maintenance, for which Indus University has Boeing 373 in their campus for the practical training of the students, as well as DGCA approved world-class workshop for the training of the students. Also, other than this, Institute of Science, Humanity and Liberal Studies also offers the courses like BSc in Physics, BSc in Chemistry, BSc in Mathematics, MSc in Physics, MSc in Chemistry and MSc in Mathematics. I invite all the students to visit our campus once before they finalize their college as well as courses. And I will also invite you to go through our website, come to the campus, meet me. My contact number is 990-900-4746. I wish you all the best in your career. Thank you.